Wow. I got something decent on. I got something decent on. Wow. 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 Hey kids, it's your dad, Ricky, back here with some more Squatch County fishing. We're back at a place you've seen before. This big old dam, Spillway Jamie. And we're going for smallmouth bass today. That's the goal. And, you know, anything else is welcome. I've caught walleye and other junk out of here, but smallmouth bass is the objective. So, I don't know. I got jig head with worms. I got, what do I got? I got swim jigs. I got crankbait that I plan on chucking maybe. Maybe, I say. I don't know. You know, we're just going to wing it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Oh, check it out. I got Squatch County fishing stickers. You know what I mean? If you want one, hit me up. I'll send you one for free. But anyway, thank you for watching, as always. And let's get some friggin' fish. You know what I mean? Yeah. 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 Alright, let's try not to kill ourselves getting down. And look at that. We didn't die. Yo, I hate people. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Jesus Christ. Take your trash with you, trash. Man, it's ridiculous. Man, I hate people. Scumbag trash. Alright, so I'm gonna try a bigger jig head first. If I can find my bigger jig heads. There they are. We found them. I think we're gonna go white. We're gonna go white for this time. Until I get snagged and inevitably have to tie another one on. Jig head tied on. Putting on a whole ding-donger. Whole little crawl dog. And see if we can't get on some smallies. Yeah, these are some thick worms, dude. Shout out Canada. First cast. Here we go. And I'm already friggin' snagged. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, we got it out. Or did my jig head just literally break off? How? How? Like how? God damn it. Let's try this again. Come on, you son of a bitch. Alright, now I'm throwing a Divine swim jig, 6 cents, with a craw type trailer, bug or whatever the hell, and see if that wants to work, because the worms were not hitting. Cool. Fucking cool. Alright, now I've tied on a Jabberjaw crankbait, because I don't know why, to be honest, just because. See if something hits it. There's a lot of frustration in my voice. That's what that is. Holy shit. Holy shit. First cast with the crankbait. Little fella, but I'll take it. That's a turnaround. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, pal. Hold on, pal. Hold on. There we go. Little fella. Get him right back. Beat it, nerd. Well, alright. So maybe the crankbait is going to get the job done. I mean, first cast with it. Let's try that again. Come on again. Yeah. Nice, dude. Crankbait getting it done. Nice. Chill out, pal. Chill out. Alright? You gotta relax. Again, not that big, but whatever. They're starting to hit. Crankbait time. Crankbait action. Beat it, nerd. All right. My mood has drastically increased. Yeah. I got something decent on. I got something decent on. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, I'm also fighting him through this current, but he definitely feels good size, whatever it is. Come on. Trying to keep him low so he don't jump if it's a smallie. If it's a smallie, it's good size, for sure. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, that's my PB. That's my PB. That's my PB. Holy shit. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. That is 100% my personal best, smallmouth best. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. I'm getting a measurement and a weight on him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this thing. Look at it. See this thing? Holy shit. What do we got for a weight? What's that say? 1.68 kilograms. 1.68 kilograms. We get a quick length on you and I'm getting you back, bud. $18 inches. 18 inches, 1.68 kilograms. Monster. Monster. All right, let's get him back. Holy shit. 1.68 kilograms. Beat it, nerd. Yes. 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 Woo! Woo! On the crankbait, no less. 1.68 kilograms in pounds. 3.7 pounds. That was 3.7 pounds. My previous biggest was 3 pounds. So, just shy of a pound bigger. Oh, man. That was awesome. Man, that was awesome. Yo, this Jabberjaw's getting it done, dude. Done. Whew. Let's see if we can do it again. Man, that was amazing. Hell of a fight. Just amazing. I was getting discouraged when I first got here. I broke off multiple jigs with worms. I broke off, what was it? A swim bait, or not a swim bait, a swim jig with, you know, a trailer broke off. I mean, almost immediately. I tied this crankbait on and boom. 3 back to back, the third being my PB, my new PB. Oh, I'm jacked, dude. I am jacked. I honestly don't even care if I catch another fish. I mean, I want to, obviously, but boy, oh boy, that was awesome. All right, we took a 5-minute break after that big old bastard. Now we're back, gonna keep throwing the crankbait, see if I can get on a few more before I gotta go. Come on. Yeah, boy. Again, it feels decent. It feels decent. Come on. Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah. Walleye on the crankbait, dude. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. Friggin' walleye on the crankbait. This is turning out to be a fantastic day. What started as a slow day. I know it's not a big walleye, but I don't care. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, this is awesome. Alright, let's get them back. Being a nerd. Man, did this day turn around. Hope you guys can hear me. It's loud down here, and I'm doing my best. I've taken about 100 more casts, and have got nothing. And I got other shit I gotta do, so I guess I gotta wrap up. Just for now, though. You know your dad's going back out fishing. You know your dad's going back out. So yeah, I gotta wrap up. Alright kids, thanks for tuning in to Squash County Fishing, as always. Had quite the day. Caught my PB smallmouth bass, which, I mean, you saw. I was pretty jazzed. I was pretty pumped up about it. Not too much else, just we got, what, 3 smallmouth and a walleye today, but the PB smallmouth, who's gonna complain about that? Not your dad, you know what I mean? So, you know, like I said before, thanks for watching Squash County Fishing. And if you could, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that helps, especially a sub. You know what I mean? Help your dad out. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.